Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 vegan toasted sandwiches. I'm starting off by adding peanut butter to the bread. And I'm going to add some sliced bananas, some cinnamon, and optional pure maple syrup. Now I'm adding a little bit of dairy-free butter to a pan, and I'm going to toast it on each side. For our next sandwich, I have tofu, seitan bacon, bread, and onions. Also some chao cheese, which is a dairy-free cheese. I'm sauteing some onions in a pan. I'm going to let these brown a bit, and then I'm going to push it to the side and add the seitan bacon. This seitan bacon is really good. It has a hickory smoke flavor to it. I'm adding some coconut aminos to the onions. You can use balsamic vinegar or you can use soy sauce. And I'm just letting it brown. And now I'm crumbling the tofu in the pan. I'm going to add some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some black salt. I'm also adding turmeric for color. And now I'm adding some mayo to each side of the bread and some ketchup. And then I'm placing the onions, the cheese, and the seitan bacon on. And I'm going to toast it on each side in the pan. For the next sandwich, I'm slicing some mushrooms and sauteing it in a pan. And I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. I'm adding some mayo. I'm going to add some ketchup. And I'm going to add the rest of the onions that I made earlier. And some fresh organic spinach and the mushrooms. I'm adding some chao cheese and I'm going to toast it as well. And that sums up today's video. Thank you for watching. If you make any of these recipes, make sure to tag me at namnamtofitness on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time.